Alright folks, this is part 2 of the Selfridge Mall fiasco. There's a bird. There's a bird in the mall. That's how dead this mall is. There's a bird. Bird. Come here, bird. Swear to God, if I get attacked by this bird. Bird in here. Look at this. Look how dead this mall is, dude. Bird. Bird. It's a fucking pigeon, man. Dude. Dude. They got batting cages here. They got batting cages. Birdie. It's funny. There's a fucking bird in here. Or tennis or something. Something in here. Okay. Yeah. Is that place we're talking about? Like that restaurant? No. The bird doesn't move. He doesn't care. He's like, I'm a Des Moines bird. I don't give a shit. No. You got any trains? No. That's funny. Yeah, the karate class. School of karate. Bird. Dun, 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 dun. Nah, bird. Nah. That's funny. There's a bird, man. Where? Oh. Bird. Yeah, I got another one right here too. There's 3 birds in this mall. There's more than one bird though. He's flying. No fly. No fly. Bullshit.
You're not wearing your Von Miller hat. Or
Von Miller hat.
jersey.
Now you talk shit about me, but.
I mean, we did see a Von Miller hat.
Where's the
That's
restroom?
what
I don't see no restroom. I see mall security.
Where's the fucking restroom room? Oh, it's down here.
Restrooms.
Wait for restrooms. I'm just trying to play doctor with gloves on until they take